So a good place to get weather data for the last 3 days is the NowData website over here. We are mostly in the Burlington area over here. We'll go to Burlington International Airport and we'll select data here for the month of July 2015. Notice that we're choosing the daily data for a month. And here we get a complete record of weather for July 2015. Note that the high temperatures here have been in the 80s for most of the middle part of July here, since the 10th, especially between the 10th and 14th. And then in the last 2 days, the high temperatures all of a sudden dipped down to 71 and 72. Minimum temperatures also dipped down considerably over here. There you go. They've been down at 57 and here at 50 on Thursday night. Also here is the precipitation amounts. So you can see that in the midweek here, we had this amount of precipitation falling over Burlington. And that type of precipitation fell almost all over Vermont on those days. How do these conditions compare to normal? Well, this over here shows the departure of the average temperature from the normal temperature. So for those 2 days, the temperatures have been 7 degrees and 8 degrees cooler than normal conditions for this time of year. If you would like these temperatures in graphical form, you can retrieve them this way. Choose your station, hit temperature graphs. We're interested in the month of July. We check here, the year is 2015, and you will get these temperatures in graphical format. Okay, the lightly shaded regions represent temperature normals for the month of July. In brown up here, you have the normal high or normal maximum temperature for a given day. Here you have the normal minimum temperature for a given day at the bottom of the brown. The red lines and blue lines here represent extremes for a given day, record low and record high temperatures. And the blue bars here represent the temperatures for July 2015 for each day. So if you look over here for July 16th, Thursday, July 16th, and Wednesday, July 15th, you'll notice that the temperatures are actually lower than normal for those days. There's not exactly record amounts over here. It does occasionally get this cooler in July, but it's definitely cooler than the warmer temperatures that we had over here in the previous weekend and early in the week. So that gives us a good idea of how cool the temperatures were for the past 2 days.